Today we are going to compare both Mercury and Wise. Let's see how each one stacks up against the other in terms of banking and more. Mercury offers banking with startups in mind and is fully online. There is no local branch. However, everything you could possibly need from them can be done online or through the apps supported by various devices. Mercury is a tech company and not a bank. However, Mercury does offer phenomenal banking services through the help of their partners Chase Bank and Evolve Bank and Trust. In turn, those banks have a network of other regional banks, giving Mercury Bank users access to a very beneficial sweep network. It's because of this network that Mercury members have access to FDIC insurance of up to $5 million, which is higher than any other US traditional bank. On top of that, Mercury does not require a minimum balance or maintenance fees. Couple that with the fact that Mercury doesn't charge for ATM withdrawals. It also offers free domestic and international wire transfers in USD. Free ACH payments are included as well. You now have access to phenomenal checking and savings accounts for your business. You can set up individual cards for different members of the company and have them named and set their limits online. Even setting up the account doesn't require you to go to a branch. The only real cons I can see to Mercury Bank is that you can't deposit physical cash. You will need to convert it into some sort of digital currency and then transfer it to your Mercury account. Also, the savings account earns 0% APY. However, Mercury does offer a treasury account for businesses with larger balances. So we've stated that Mercury is for startups. However, Wise shifts its focus more so to the transfer of money, then handling those transfers with speed and transparency. Wise, however, is not the most affordable way to make international transfers. However, it is known to be one of the fastest and will still be cheaper than using a bank. So, if your business needs to send and receive funds internationally, then you would gravitate to Wise. Wise, at the time of this recording, is able to send transfers to up to 160 countries as long as the recipient's bank account is in any of the supported currencies. Wise is incredibly fast, with most transfers only taking a few hours. The maximum waiting time is 5 days. However, this is a rarity and will depend on location and transfer method. Wise, just like Mercury, sees you handling all these transfers either through an app or through your web browser. Both Wise and Mercury offer two-factor security options to protect your account from hackers, which is always a worry when primarily dealing with a business online. When it comes to the safety of your money, we mentioned how Mercury relies on its sweep networks to keep your funds secure through the large FDIC insurance it has at its disposal. Wise takes another route. Wise uses the term safeguard. So instead of lending your money and having it insured through the FDIC or FSCS, Wise, depending on your country and regulations, will have a percentage of your money converted to liquid assets, such as government bonds. The money they put into banks, they only put into reputable banks with strong liquidity. So even in times of market turmoil, your money is safe. So that was a comparison between Mercury and Wise. The focus is very different with these two tech companies. Depending on what the goal is for your money, one of these options will definitely serve you well. Thanks for watching and have a great day.